Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Have you ever noticed something interesting? Big brands rarely mess up. Their products feel consistent, their services run smoothly, and somehow they always seem in control. It almost feels like they have a secret formula, right? Well, what if I told you it is not luck, not just marketing, and not even just money? It is a system. And very often, that system is ISO standards. Now, what big brands know and you don't. Let's be real for a second. When a small business makes a mistake, maybe a few people notice. But when a big brand makes a mistake, headlines, social media outrage, massive losses. One small error can cost them millions and destroy years of trust. That is why big brands don't take chances. They don't rely on jugaad or guesswork. They rely on structured systems. And this is where ISO comes in, not as a certificate, but as a rule book for running things the right way. Why they trust ISO so much? Think about your favorite brand. Why do you trust it? Because every time you use it, you know what to expect. That consistency doesn't happen by accident. ISO helps companies create processes that deliver the same quality again and again. And then there is data. Today, brands are not just selling products. They are handling your personal information. One data leak and everything collapses. ISO helps them protect that data, manage risk, and stay secure in a world full of cyber threats. It also gives them something powerful: global credibility. When a company follows ISO standards, it speaks a universal language of trust. That is why big brands can expand across countries so easily. And behind all this, smooth operations, less chaos, fewer mistakes, better control. While others struggle with confusion, ISO-driven companies move with clarity and confidence. Now comes the real twist. But here is something interesting. ISO is not just for big brands. Anyone can use it. The difference is big brands actually follow it seriously. Some companies just want the certificate to show off. Big brands want the system to perform, and that is where everything changes. Now I have the truth that no one tells you. Big brands are not successful because they are big. They are big because they follow systems like ISO. It is not the logo on the wall that matters. It is the discipline behind it. So next time you trust a big brand, remember, it is not just their name you are trusting. It is the system working silently behind the scenes, making sure everything goes right. And maybe, just maybe, that system is ISO. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share and subscribe TNV for more such informative content. Thanks for watching.